Welcome to the project demonstration of voice operated solar powered robots. So here we are going to control the robot movements like forward, backward, left, right movements from the mobile phone by using the Android application, and by providing the voice commands we are going to control the movement of these robots. So like forward, backward movement and stop, left, right also. So the commands will be received by our robots with HC05 module. So the received data will be given to the PIC16F72 microcontroller at pin number B0 and B1. So then after controller was coded with commands, so based on the forward command received, so the system will control the robot movement in forward motion by sending the signals to these two DC motors through the L293D motor driver. So we have attached the L293 motor driver below this solar panel. So L293 is a motor driver which can use it to control the two DC motors in bidirectional. So for example, if you want to control the robot in forward motion, these two rotate in forward direction. So for the backward, these two backward rotation. Coming to the left direction, and this one has to rotate in backward direction, and this one has to go to the forward direction. So vice versa for the right also. So like that we are going to control the robot in 4 directions with the help of microcontroller by sending the voice commands through the L293D motor driver. And here the whole system getting power supply from this solar panel. So here we are using 12 volt or 5 watt solar panel, and which is used to send the voltage to the battery through this charging circuit. So here we can charge a battery in 2 ways. One is a solar panel. When you want to charge a battery from the solar panel, just we need to connect the S over here, and then these 4 diodes will act as a rectifier. But though we are providing DC power supply from the solar panel, so then these 4 diodes will not act as a rectifier, they will act as a polarity corrector. Means if you connect the solar panel in reverse direction, means reverse polarity, so then the reverse polarity will be given to the battery so that the battery may get damaged. In order to correct that polarity, we are going to making use of this bridge rectifier as a polarity corrector when we connect the DC source input to this charging circuit. After this capacitor, to just remove the pulses if they are generated whenever the rectifier works. And after that, the directly power supply given to the battery through the diodes. So here the D32 diode, these 2 diodes will act as a unidirectional current flow controller. Unidirectional current flow controller means whenever the battery is fully charged, it will block the current flow from the battery to the solar panel. Means these 2 diodes will allow the current from the solar panel to the battery. Then only the battery is fully charged, and we can protect the solar panel from the battery when it is fully charged, as these 2 diodes will block the current from the battery to the solar panel. And if you want to charge a battery from the transformer, means there is no sunlight available, then we want to charge a battery from the transformer, then we need to connect the T over here, and then on the power supply 230 volts to this transformer. So then this transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and that particular 12 volts AC will be converted into the 12 volts DC with the help of this bridge rectifier. Now this bridge rectifier will act as a rectifier circuit to convert the AC to DC. The DC voltage given to the battery same as usually through the battery and the diodes. So the diodes will block the current flow from the battery to the transformer. So the battery will be fully charged in a duration of 8 hours. So if you want to charge a battery from the transformer or full sunlight, we should keep it charging for 8 hours at least. So after that, there will be on off switch over here. We can see that. Okay, this is the on off switch. Below is the on, above is the off. So now install the application, voice control app application, so which we have provided, and then after go to Bluetooth settings in your phone. So this Bluetooth settings setup is only first time setup in one mobile phone. So if you want to demonstrate the project in this mobile phone as a first time, then go to the Bluetooth settings and search for the Bluetooth module, pair new device. So HC05 will be found, and it will ask for the password. So password 1234, done. So now it is paired from here. Now go to the other application. So in that options, connect device, pair to HC05. The device will be connected over here. We can see that the device is connected. After connecting from here, till now the blinking on this HC05 module blinks very fast. So after pairing, its blink slow down. Right. So now we can provide the voice inputs. Forward, backward, stop, forward, 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 stop, stop. So when we are sending the voice commands, it has to display the respective string on this application. We can see that. Stop. Right. So when you are saying stop, if it is displays over here stop, then we need to re-announce again. Left. So in the left side, it will rotate for certain angle, then it stops over there. So if you want to rotate again, then again left. Right, 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 right. So we need to practice more to announce the voice inputs to the microcontroller through this application. Then only we can provide the high accuracy voice inputs. Forward, backward, stop, stop. Right. So as we discussed previously, so for the left side, we can see the motor rotation now. Left. So this is rotates forward and that will backward. Right. Right.